Hello friends, welcome to Educate Academy. My name is CA Raj Kakwani and today we'll be discussing what is dual GST system and why there is a need of dual GST system in India. So friends, before starting with the dual GST system, we need to learn certain important terminologies which will help us in understanding the concept of dual GST system in a better way. So let's start with it. So first term is, what is intrastate transaction? Friends, intrastate transaction is something wherein we sell goods within the state. Meaning thereby, suppose I am a businessman doing business in Gujarat and I am supplying goods from Ahmedabad to Vadodara. Then such transactions wherein we are supplying goods within the state, that is from Ahmedabad to Vadodara in case of Gujarat, or Ahmedabad to Surat in case of Gujarat, then such transactions are known as intrastate transactions. Wherein in case of interstate transactions, we supply the goods outside the state. Say for example, I am doing business in Ahmedabad and I am supplying goods to Mumbai. That is, I supplied goods from Gujarat to Maharashtra. And such transactions are known as interstate transactions. So let us now understand why is it important to learn both these terminologies. So friends, in case of intrastate transactions, we need to levy two taxes. And the two taxes are CGST and SGST. So friends, in case of intrastate transactions, meaning thereby when we supply the goods within the state, we need to charge two taxes on the basic value, that is CGST, which is Central Goods and Service Tax, and SGST, which indicates State Goods and Service Tax. For example, we supplied the goods worth rupees 1000 and tax rate is 5%. So tax rate of 5% will be divided into two parts, wherein 2.5% will be CGST and 2.5% will be SGST. Right? So 25 rupees is CGST, which indicates Central Goods and Service Tax, and 25 rupees is SGST, which indicates State Goods and Service Tax. Friends, Central Goods and Service Tax will directly go into the treasury of central government, whereas State Goods and Service Tax will go into the treasury of state government. Now friends, let us understand what tax would be charged in case of interstate transactions. So friends, in case of interstate transactions, IGST would be charged. IGST indicates Integrated Goods and Service Tax, and it is collected by central government. For example, we supplied goods worth rupees 1000 and GST rate is 5%. So if the transaction is interstate from one state to another, in our example, we supplied goods from Gujarat to Maharashtra. In that case, IGST would be charged at the rate of 5% and the total invoice would be 1000 plus 50, that is 1050. So friends, the question arises is why we cannot just charge GST on the basic value and get done with the transaction. Why central government is charging taxes in the form of CGST and state government is charging taxes in the form of SGST? Why in case of interstate transactions, IGST is levied and it is collected fully by central government? So these are the queries that we need to understand, and these queries, friends, will be addressed in the next lecture. So see you in the next session.